Clear aquarium water is not just about appearance. It is one of the strongest signs that your aquarium is healthy, stable, and properly balanced. Many people believe that cloudy water means they have done something wrong, but in most cases, cloudy water is simply part of the natural process of establishing a living ecosystem. Fish waste, uneaten food, and decaying material release ammonia into the water, which is invisible but highly toxic. In a healthy aquarium, beneficial bacteria grow naturally and convert this waste into safer substances through what is known as the nitrogen cycle, the most important concept in fish keeping. First, ammonia is produced, then bacteria convert ammonia into nitrite, and finally other bacteria convert nitrite into nitrate, which is far less harmful and can be controlled through water changes and plants. When an aquarium is new or unstable, these bacteria are not yet established, and this often causes a bacterial bloom that makes the water appear milky or cloudy. This is normal and does not mean the tank is failing. Cycling an aquarium properly takes time, usually between 2 and 4 weeks, and sometimes up to 6 weeks, and during this period the water may look worse before it looks better. A proper filter plays a critical role during this process, not just by cleaning the water, but by providing a home for beneficial bacteria. Mechanical filtration removes visible debris. Biological filtration supports bacteria growth, and chemical filtration, while optional, can help polish the water. Filter media should never be washed in tap water because chlorine kills beneficial bacteria instantly and instead should only be rinsed gently in old tank water. Feeding habits also have a major impact on water clarity, and overfeeding is one of the most common mistakes. Fish only need a small amount of food, and anything they do not eat quickly becomes waste that fuels ammonia and cloudiness. Feeding once or twice per day, only what fish can eat in 2 minutes, can improve water clarity within just a few days. Regular partial water changes are another essential habit, but more is not better. Changing 20 to 30% of the water once per week removes excess waste while preserving beneficial bacteria, whereas large or complete water changes can reset the cycle and cause cloudiness to return. Using a gravel vacuum during water changes helps remove trapped debris from the substrate, further improving clarity. Stocking levels must also be considered, because too many fish produce more waste than the biological system can handle, no matter how strong the filter is. Adding fish slowly and researching their adult size helps maintain long-term stability. Live plants provide a powerful natural solution as they absorb nitrates, compete with algae, and improve oxygen levels, often resulting in noticeably clearer water within 1 to 2 weeks. The truth is that clear aquarium water is not instant and cannot be forced with chemicals or shortcuts. Mild cloudiness may clear in a few days, bacterial blooms may take 1 to 2 weeks, new tanks usually need 2 to 4 weeks, and heavily neglected aquariums may take up to 6 weeks to fully stabilize. Clear water is the result of patience, biology, and consistent care, and once balance is achieved, maintaining it becomes much easier. If your aquarium water is cloudy today, it does not mean failure. It means the system is changing, and with time, stability, and proper care, clarity will follow.